Today we'll talk about how can you disable messages notifications on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on account preferences, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. Then you come to, sorry, we will go back. You click here on notifications. So when you click here on notifications, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on messages, come to this list. You come here to push notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, and here can you disable it too for email. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.